vobiscum. Welcome back to the channel, and to another episode of The Vestal Virgin Days. Today we are back at it again with Sound of Horses. Sun rises slowly and casts a warm glow across the landscape. Welcome to day 3. First paper to town hall available. Find Frank work. I just realized my microphone may have not been picking me up that well. My apologies. Anyway. Right, let's see here. It seems it is time to go to town hall, but first we are going to feed and water Lady Hazel. Oops. Oh goodness, Lady Hazel. Control yourself. Trying to give you water, I promise. Great start, everyone. And a funny bit of a glitch there. What is going on today with my technology? Alrighty, well, to town it is. Oops. And we'll have to try at the jumping arena at some point, but for what it is now, seeing how poorly I was doing before, we shan't put Lady Hazel through such a trial, if you will. Right, to our first quest. Certainly is an early morning, no one's really out and about today. Oh, for some reason I was thinking the Homeland Times. My mistake. Lady Hazel. She's so pretty. What a good girl. Go ahead and take care of her while we can. Because she deserves it. Alright. Go see what this is all about. Well, I thought it was all about talking to someone, but I guess not. Should we go for the full red? Or should we do pink this round? Oh, very sporty, very, very chic, if you will. A bit too short-sleeved for me, or we could go in full regalia with pink pants. What else have we got? Oh, we can kit out in full pink. And we can do a hat. And Lady Hazel can be in pink as she deserves. Right, Lady Hazel, I'm warning you in advance. Oh, this is what we are going to become. But for now, we're going to save our money and be frugal. Alright, I was right. We did go the wrong way. My apologies. Just route around here. There he is. Hello. Good morning, Frank. Good morning, Vera. You're up early. The sun's barely risen. It's so great to see Robert's dream come true, and it's thanks to you. Amazing work, both of you. Start with a delivery to Harriet, then to Sam's shop on the hometown plaza, and finally to Hazel in the mountain village. See you later. Oh dear, Lady Hazel, we have some riding to do, don't we? Oh, and then it says to find Madison. Well, while we're already here, let's go find Madison. We'll get that taken care of. Oh, it is a lovely morning. Everyone's lights are turning on. Good morning. Oh, sorry, Lady Hazel. I do like that there is that feature where when your horse gets tired, your horse will slow down on its own. I do like that quite a bit. Right, it did say find Madison. There's no prompt right there, so I guess not right now. There we go. I was starting to wonder, where is our journal? Water and hay, quest objective, quest complete. Quest available. My, there's many places for us to explore. Oh my, I just realized how large this map is. My goodness, alright. Oh, I wonder if we can explore it. Oh, I am intrigued. Right, that's the care. What about... It's our current stats. Oh dear. Well, I was looking for a journal of sorts. I didn't find it, so tally-ho. We are simply going to run amok, if one will. And hopefully not keep tiring out poor Lady Hazel. I wonder if there's some carriage riding or carriage driving in our future now. That would be a very unique addition to a game. Ah, she was here the whole time. Hello. Hello, Vera. Fantastic. Robert's first article. Oh, we have to read it together later once Harriet gets to work. Maybe this will turn into something big that brings more tourists to the island. Probably have more deliveries, so I won't keep you. See you later. At least from what I can... Oh, there we go. At least from what I can see at the moment, it does seem that the only way to get experience or coins is by these particular quests, if you will. I do think it would be a good feature as the game evolves to have it be, as you gallop more, as you pay attention more, you slowly build up those skills just by riding, not necessarily just from quests, if you will. Hello, Sam. Hello, awesome, what a great story. I can sell them as soon as I open. It's the first time we've spoken, but I've seen you around. You saw me in your shop earlier. Heading to the mountain village, then we can talk some other time. Look, there's Lily. You're headed the same way, ride together. She usually messes around a bit when she rides. Oh dear. Oh dear. Lily, are you going to force us to go running headlong again? Hello, Lily. Lady Hazel, slow down. Good morning. Going to see Hazel? Perfect, we're headed the same way. I'm dropping off some old stuff with Hazel's dad, Lazarus. He runs the antique shop. Come on, let's go. I know some fun shortcuts. Just don't tell Tom. Oh. Well, we've gained some more points here, but I do feel it would be, and I'm sure this is coming down the line, of being able to accomplish this on your own versus just the quests. Or maybe it's already a mechanic. I feel like I can't speak today. Maybe it's already a mechanic and I haven't seen it yet. But now to go tearing headlong through the forest with Lily once again. I do find it rather fun and interesting that they have the... I love the different gates that they have, and it is rather fun that the character will actually wave to you as you're riding with them, and she seems to be going at a decent clip this time. I'm rather surprised. See how long that lasts. Lady Hazel is not the fastest horse. She is my horse, and I love her. If I can jump properly, that is. Oh, sorry, Lady Hazel. And if I could pay attention to her cues as well. Right, let's go, Lady Hazel. Good job. Good show. I'm trying to... Oh, Lady Hazel. There's a tree there. Goodness gracious, girl. You saw it just as well as I. Lily, you go on ahead. We will be cantering. Thank you very much. Goodness, look at her go. Poor horse, or unless... Not poor horse, if Lily's horse has a little bit more stamina, at least she waits for us. This is quite the shortcut. Look at that mountain. I mean, so far they've done a lovely... Oh, what was that over there? Oh, look at the deer! Well, that's rather fun. Oh, that's a jump. Sorry. Oh, there's a whole... Oh! There's quite a lot going on there. Someone riding a carriage. It's a whole other village. Excellent. Alright, come on, Lady Hazel, let's go investigate. You know, with some shaders and some attention to detail with regards to graphics and so forth, this would be this will be an absolutely lovely game. And now if you include little things like, I think she went this way. If you include little things such as, you know, the quests, maybe character relationship quests, friendship, romance, definitely more character customization, I would say. Or maybe, as the game progresses, you actually get your own house here, and you get to expand upon it and paint it and so forth. I think that would be absolutely wonderful. I understand that's a lot to ask, but this game has a lot of potential. And I'm not necessarily oh my, this is rather pretty too. And I'm not a huge stickler for graphics. If there's a story and lots of customization and all that, enough story elements, and I don't care if it's 8-bit, I am hooked. Oh, I love the horse sculptures there. Oh, Lady Hazel, I hope you were trained on stairs. You were. Good girl. Oh, what a pleasant little town. Oh, that's a pretty church. A cat! It's a kitty. Hello. Antique shop. Souvenir shop. Don't worry, I know where we can get you some water, Lady Hazel. Wow, what a ride. This is way more fun than the regular path, right? I rarely slow down. Hope you kept up. Your poor horse. There's Hazel, Lady Hazel. There's Hazel over there. See you later. Thank you, Lily. Now go give your horse some rest. Oh, I love your outfit, Hazel. Wish I could I wish I could wear that. Hi, and thanks for the delivery. I heard the news, but the mystery still isn't solved, is it? The article explains what happened, but everyone here wants to know more. I hope you keep investigating. Let Robert write a follow-up. Thank you, Hazel. Can I talk to you again? Take a copy to Walter. You probably haven't met him yet. He'll be a bit grumpy at first, but he really loves everything to do with trains. He works in the workshop by the old mines. While you're at it, stop by the vet Caleb at the clinic. You shouldn't miss the news either. Everyone wants to know about the, what do you call it? The crop circles. I guess if there's nothing else going on an island or a small town, it would be big news. Are you Walter? Lazarus. Hello, how's the day? Good day, thank you. Is it really all the way over there? Oh, alright. I want to investigate a little bit. Dora's Greens. Oh, hello, Dora. You look like a very pleasant lady. Hi there. Carrot by 4. And I'll get some apples as well. There we go. Sorry, Lady Hazel, those are for us to split, because I too enjoy carrots and apples. Reminds me, I do have a wonderful memory of my mother being kind enough to grow a garden when I was growing up, which is why I'm so obsessed with gardening probably myself. And one of the things that I have a distinct memory of was being able to yank a carrot out of the ground and rinse off the dirt, and then proceed to eat it, and oh, when you get a carrot fresh carrot, absolutely and unbelievably delicious, I must say. I have no idea where we're going, and Lady Hazel, I know I promised I was going to get you some water, but just started going. Let me consult the map. Where are we? I don't like the random rock sounds. It makes me nervous, especially with what was said about the mines. Well, we'll see what we can do. At least we have some carrots that we can feed. I don't like the... It's starting to make me a bit nervous. A train. Oh, we went the wrong way. At least I can give Lady Hazel a carrot. We shall do that. Oh, let's go this way. There we go. There we go. And I'll find you some water, Lady Hazel, I promise. Alright, well, we are at what appears to be maybe an abandoned train depot, but... oh, it's still running. We'll find out. Hi, I'm Walter. I think I've seen you in town. Check it out. This is my workshop, my second home. Oh dear. If I silence my phone... where was I? Check it out. This is my workshop, my second home. My dream is to get the train running again. My grandfather drove it until the mines closed, and it's just been sitting here rusting ever since. If I can get it going again, life will come back to the island, just like it used to be. Thanks for the paper. Mysteries aren't really my thing, but it's fun to read what they've discovered. By the way, I'm still waiting on the permit to reopen the railway. If you want to help, check at the town hall and see if it's ready yet. Oh, and if you're going to Caleb's, take the shortcut behind the railway bridge. See you around and ride safe. Oh, thank you, Walter. Meet the veterinarian Caleb. He said take the shortcut, which I'm assuming is this one? Because he said behind? We'll find out. He seems to be a kind soul who just wants to restore what once was. And which is nice, because if there's a good railway, you can travel a bit more safely around the island. I don't know where we're going. Alright, let's try this again. So we want to... So if we go this way... He said there was a way... a way behind, and it looks like it would be something like that, so... Hold on, everybody, we're doing some exploring. Oh, whoop, the camera sensitivity. Oh, well, look who it is. Hello, Lily. What are you doing here? Oh, there's even someone in a rowboat. How pleasant. Hello. Hi, Lily. I think I'm going the right way. We'll find out, won't we? Lagoon. I think I saw that on there. Oh, that's a long one. Come along, Lady Hazel. Oh, sorry. Doing great. Ooh, what a pretty waterfall. Oh my. Oh, let's run her through some water and get her a bit clean, shall we? A little swimming, if you will. I do love the fact that they actually have swimming and that there is an animation for it. That's very well done. I do wish your horse is working. I wish they would have an animation for the rider as well. Right, quest complete. Seems we should follow the Laguna split. Should get us to where we want to go. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Lady Hazel, you are perfectly fine. Don't worry. I was paying attention, I promise. See, now I wonder if going over these jumps is just for fun, or if we actually get something out of it with regards to, whatchamacallit, experience. Right, let's see here. Where are we now? Seems if we continue the... Oh, is there a way upward? I didn't see one. Maybe we haven't reached it yet. Ah, maybe this is it. But luckily the veterinarian should have some water and hay available for poor Lady Hazel, so... Oh dear. Ah, this looks to be the way. Ah, here we go. See, I am a romantic at heart, and what would be more romantic than living in a place like this? This is beautiful. And then potentially having the opportunity to add some romance elements to the game. I think that would be quite fun, personally. Hello, sir. I know I was just talking about romance, but I'm going to make sure my horse is taken care of first. There's Lady Hazel. It's my girl. She deserves it. Those are some pretty horses. And then the addition, again, of customization, some more coat colors, that would be fabulous. Hello, good sir. Caleb. Hi, my name is Caleb. Thanks for the newspaper. I have heard about those crop circles. Really fascinating. Good thing you stopped by. Nolan's cow is about to give birth, but there are complications. I have to go help right away. It is urgent. All right. Ah, I need to gather my equipment, then head out. It might take all night, and I do not know when I will be back. Would you please help me and feed the dogs? The food is behind the house. Oh, all right. I think I can manage that. Oh, look at all the puppies. Very cute. Oh, mine. Oh, there's the food. Oh, we actually get an animation. Right. Is that all of them? I guess so. I do hope they do something of a, for lack of a better term... You got hurt running into those sharp rocks. Oh my goodness. We're made of paper. Let's back up very carefully, Lady Hazel. Very carefully. Thank you for your help. I wish I could speak. It really makes things easier. At least I know the animals will have food and water until I return. Goodness, people just shower us with money. Thank you. One more thing. Sorry, I really do not have much time. My dog Rufus needs to go out on his rehabilitation walk. Could you take him for a run? Just follow him. He knows the way. Oh, well, activate Rufus. Oh, Goodness, Rufus, we're quite the, I thought this was supposed to be a rehabilitation walk, not a sprint. My goodness. Now, I do understand it is quite difficult when you're doing things like, or games like this. How do you make quests interesting without having them be sort of constant fetch quests and searches and such? That is the age-old problem. You want to create content and create a story, but then how do you keep it interesting? Goodness, Rufus. Very spry for a dog who needs a rehabilitation, quote, walk. I was thinking we would take him for a spin about the barn or something, not running amok in the trails, but here we are. It's giving Lady Hazel a run for her money. Well, we made it back. Time to go talk to Caleb again. Activate Rufus completed. Oh, I love early access games. Oh, and he's got his horse hooked up. Thank you. Rufus looks very happy, but now I really have to go. Are you heading to Robert? Come along, I will show you a shortcut to town. Oh, how lovely. Don't know what is going on with my machine this evening. Anyway, a shortcut to town. So now we will follow Caleb. Oh, he's taking his dog with him. I will say, for the most part, this is a very non-stimulating game, which after the previous Backrooms games we've played is a break in and of its own way. Again, there's a lot of potential for this game, but goodness, everyone here runs their horses ragged. He's in a wagon and poor Lady Hazel can barely keep up. Oh, tree. Oh, goodness. A little bit of drifting there for a moment, Caleb. There we go, Lady Hazel. It's all right. Don't worry. Again, I don't really feel the need to talk this way. As much as I talk about, you have to find ways to make the game not boring and try to keep it from being so, fetch and run, and I see what they're doing here with using the different quests to, I think he went this way, using the different quests to get you across the map and so forth. There's nothing wrong with that necessarily, but... And again, early access, it is one of the hardest game mechanics to figure out what to do with your quests, so... And, for what it is, again, non-stimulating, it's just sort of, good, galloping along, pleasant music, pleasant sounds. Can't complain. Oh, ran to some birds. See you later. Say hi to Robert. Thank you, Caleb. Robert. Hey, Vera. People are still worried after that crop circle mystery. We need to find out what is really going on. Tonight we have to check the fields. Can we meet at the edge of the forest below Agnes's house at midnight? Oh, goodness, Robert. I'll try to convince Lily to come with us. Bring a flashlight and something warm. The nights are getting chilly. And don't forget to set your alarm. See you tonight. Robert, is that really the smartest thing to do? Right. Well, Lady Hazel, let's go get rested up because apparently we've got some stuff. Oh. Actually, we've received some money today. I think we deserve a treat. And by we, I mean Lady Hazel. Pardon. Right, what can we do? At least a pink saddle blanket. We have no saddles. So I don't want to necessarily go for... I can't talk, goodness. Necessarily go for the tack, but we will do that. Oh, she looks lovely. Oh, the sound changed suddenly. Is that a cue that it's nighttime? He did say to wear something warm, so... Oh, I think that looks quite nice. Oh, 180. Oh dear, never mind. Alright, we'll save up. I think we're looking great. Oh, hello. Sam, hi. Oh, well, pardon me, Sam. I thought you needed to talk to me. Let's go, Lady Hazel. Can't wait to deck you out in full pink regalia. Alrighty, there we go. Now, Lady Hazel, take a bite. She's taken care of. And we'll go ahead and take care of everything else. I do hope they introduce the leading mechanic, so that way we don't have to constantly always ride Lady Hazel. Get a chance to sort of lead her around, as it were. Alright. Hello, everyone is talking about those circles in the fields. It's driving me crazy with curiosity. I have to see them myself tomorrow. Good night for now. I do wonder if at the end of the day that experience that we see with bonding and so forth has anything to do with what we did during the day, you know, such as the jumping and etc. Oh, Journey Through the Night available. Uh-oh, Lily's back. Lily, we can both match with our pink. Our horse is pretty. Hello, Lily. Are we about to go tearing off through the darkness? Hi, Robert said you were heading out to check the fields. I thought I would join you. We're out early. I have time to show you the track behind the church. You need to start training for the night race against Amber and Emily. Oh dear. Oh? We've got moved around. Follow Lily as she goes off on her breakneck pace. Don't worry, Lady Hazel, we'll get there. I love you just the way you are. You don't need to be super... Oh, the music is... Again, if you've ever played... Now, this is about to sound crazy. Absolutely crazy. But imagine a game that is horse-centric, but with the level of detail and story of a game such as Horizon Zero Dawn or Dragon Age. And that level of customization, I think that would be just dandy. And now I think I suddenly have a game idea in the back of my head. Oh goodness. I wish I had all of the skills. I wish I could just simply take an idea out of my head and drop it into reality and say, here is this wonderful horse game I just thought of. Everyone, I hope you enjoy. Oh, some intense music. Galloping through the night with a huge full moon on our mighty steed, Lady Hazel. Wonder how old Lady Hazel is. My canon, if you will, is going to be that Lady Hazel is 7 years old. That seems to be a good age for her. 7 years old seems to be a good age. Alright, we caught up. I'm coming. Yes. Here's the track. It's not easy, and at night becomes even more difficult. Oh, then why are we doing it at night? Stay behind me and I'll show you the way. We'll take it slow. Who are you and what have you done with Lily? Alright, ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I'm coming. And she said take it slow. Oh my, that's quite dangerous. Oh dear, sorry Lady Hazel. Oh, jumping up platforms, my goodness. Alright, let's... No, I know Lady Hazel, I know. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Oh, yes, I can imagine why. Let's, Sorry, Lady Hazel, I am not the best. This we know. Oh. Lily, I feel that this is quite the dangerous... Oh, and there's a closed mine. No, slow down! I will say, the controls are a little bit unwieldy if you're trying to do something a bit more, finessed. I do wish there's maybe some sort of indicator with the jumping about when to jump. It's a bit, I don't want to hurt Lady Hazel, and I don't want to risk our bonding. But as you can see, if you go too much and you fall too far, you also, take damage, for lack of a better term. Sorry, Lady Hazel. I don't remember the... Oh, goodness gracious. Need to look up the controls for how to pet her when we're riding. So I can tell her how sorry I am. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, I don't care, Lady Hazel. Rest. I'm so sorry. Feed you a carrot. Wow, did you see that? There was a light coming from the old mine. I was too busy trying not to kill myself and my horse. There was a light coming from the old mine. It has been closed for years. How is that even possible? I don't like this. We have to tell Robert. Come on, let's ride and meet him. Oh, goodness, not again. Right, I guess we're running around again. Oh, where are we going, Lily? I guess we're going this way. All right. Come along, Lady Hazel. I'm going to try to take care... Oh, dear, more jumps. Oh, dear. I don't want you to become tense. I don't want you to get hurt. All right, well, the plot thickens. And again, this is one of the things that has intrigued me so far about this game, is this... There's a story here, a closed mine... Night shenanigans, crop circles. What is going on here? I'm very curious and I'm excited to see where we're going to go. There's another game I remember reading about called Equinox, I believe. Something similar to where you have it's horse-based and there's a story behind it. I believe that one goes so far as to have a murder mystery, and that's what we need more of. It reminds me of the horse games of my childhood. Give us more horse games with story. Give me the customization and the fun of having a horse and the bond and all of that, but also give me a true story. I want a story with my game. I feed Lady Hazel really quick. Alright, Robert. Hello, girls. Kind of creepy out here in the middle of the night, right? You need a horse, Robert. Look over there. Do you see who is sneaking around in the field? It's the dock worker Lars pressing down the crops with wooden boards. And there is Uncle Max directing everything. Oh wow, can you believe the whole mystery is a hoax? Here, take my camera. Ride closer and take some photos as proof. Oh, well... Well, if we ride closer, won't they see us? And where are they? I don't see them. Oh, there we go. Can we move the camera? Doesn't appear so. Oh, no, Lady Hazel. We're backing up. Back up. Come on. There we go. All right. Again, the controls are a little bit unwieldy. Good, now we have the photos. It's getting late and it feels really creepy out here, doesn't it? We should get moving. You won't believe me, Robert, but I have to tell you. When we trained behind the church on the way here, we saw a bright light on at the old mine. It was like something woke up inside behind the door. Perhaps an electrical light, Lily. Someone's probably snooping around there who shouldn't be. It felt really unsettling. What could it have been? Light in the mine? That's impossible. It has been closed for years. We need to check it right away. Come on, and be quiet so no one notices us. Oh, back to the mine. It's gracious. Follow Robert. Robert, if you can outbike 2 horses on terrain like this, you have my kudos. Look at him go, Robert. That's not even a mountain bike. Oh, but I love the music, and we're all riding together. Again, that's another thing, is more... Oh, and he has a light. More horse games, again, with story. An open-world story, and I would love to see something where you can, pick flowers or, things off of trees, and you can build things and customize, but you have friends, and you build relationships with the friends, and maybe some romance. And... But you also have a very, very neat story that keeps you engrossed as everything moves on. I would very much like to see that. I hope that is where this game is going. My goodness, Robert is also a speed demon. Look at him go. He must have some sort of electrical connection with the bike. There's no way he's outrunning 2 full-grown horses. He's pedaling like his life depends on it. Go, Robert. Are you going to leap the fence? No, okay. Right, Lily, don't get in my way. I want to try... Lily! Well, Lily said no, we are not going to be trying that jump. Noted. Go on, Lily. The light's not there now, it looks like. There's no light now. Are you sure about what you saw? Yes, I saw it. We both did. The light was there. I know what I saw. But it doesn't feel good here anymore. I have to go home before Tom notices. I'm a bit scared and tired now. See you tomorrow. Good night, and keep your eyes open. Oh, do be safe, Lily. Good night, Lily. Come on, Vera, let's go home. I'm tired, and everything feels so strange right now. Aliens? Magic? Aliens and magic. Alright, let's see if we can make this one, Lady Hazel. It's a tough one. There we go. That's where Lady Hazel will get to rest soon. Oh, I just had an idea. What about a horse game that is similar to Harry Potter in the sense of you go to a island such as this, and it's a premier place for horse riding, and you can choose a discipline, as it were, and you have different houses for different disciplines. You have one house for dressage, one house for show jumping, one for cross country, one for western, something to that effect. I think that would be rather fun. and then you make friends, and then you figure out that the power of friendship is a good thing, and that all disciplines have their merits, something to that effect. Right, Lady Hazel. It's alright. Well, Robert, we escorted you safely home. Don't worry, Lady Hazel would not let anything happen to you. Oh wow, what a night. We exposed the hoax and got the photos as proof. But that light you saw, it keeps bothering me. You'll find out the truth soon. Good night, Vera. Oh, we leveled up. Morning is coming, and both you and your horse deserve some rest. Lady Hazel certainly does, with the trials I've put her through today. Oh, don't worry, I will. Oh, wrong way. Of course she wants some attention, and she shall get it. Alright, well, we've had quite the trying day. And we took Lady Hazel out. And we found out... Now, I wonder if it is actually a hoax with them pressing down the boards, or if it is something else. Maybe they were doing something else out in that field. But I guess we'll find out tomorrow, won't we? There we go, Lady Hazel. Alrighty. Oh, what a long day. And the mystery thickens. I'm very curious to see where this story is going to take us. Are you ready to take on the next day? If you'd like a break, now's a great time. I do appreciate that they do that as part of the save system. It makes it a little bit easier. So, we had a long day of running amok, but we found out that apparently the so-called crop circles were actually a hoax, potentially. And we went running amok at 9, preparing for a race, but we saw a light on in the old mill, and it seems that not all is quite what it seems on the Homeland. So join me next time for day 4 as we continue to see where this mystery will take us. I do hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you in the next video. Thanks, vobiscum. Goodbye.